Hello Avishya fans and handloom sari lovers. Today we are going to be looking at a very special kind of sari. We are going to be looking at hand-painted organzas. Organzas have evolved over the years as a very luxury drape fabric. It originated in France, where silk was woven into very thin and sheer weaves, and that was used by the many wealthy women, the royalty of Paris, as very fashionable wear for their outfits, their gowns, their dresses, and sometimes for their drapery and interiors as well. So organza has always been a very seen and is always used by women as a very luxury fabric. Organza, as you know, is woven, originally it was woven from silk and very thin, transparent and sheer weave. The nature of organza, it's very crisp, so it falls very well. It drapes very nicely, and it's got a very silky, slinky feel to it, which makes it very nice for any kind of outfit which drapes loosely over the body. So therefore, sarees are a perfect fit for lovely organzas. Today what we're going to look at is a collection of beautiful hand-painted organzas. Now let's take a look at this beautiful, lovely cheese yellow organza silk saree. I'll just open it out for you. Lovely. The fabric feels so light and it drapes so well. Organza feels very crisp, but the fall is very light and drapes very well. And as you can see, the painting, the hand-painted work is beautiful. It's exquisite. The painter has done beautiful pink. The painter has actually sketched out this lovely, beautiful flowers and leaf vines on the saree, and the flowers have been filled out in a beautiful pink, and the rest of the leaves have been is in a nice olive green. The painting is done in a watercolor kind of finish. It looks really sensational against the beautiful fabric. It looks really nice. Come closer, you can see how the fabric falls, how it feels, and how the hand painting adds so much of appeal to the fabric. And of course, both the top and the bottom, there's lovely gold zari, which is outlining the whole saree itself, so that it gives it a very rich and very luxurious look. Now let's see how the pallu looks. I'll just flip it around to show you how the pallu looks. Wow, beautiful. The pallu, the way the painter has done it is that when you hold the pallu, the flowers will actually drape from the hand and fall down. So it looks really pretty. So a few more flowers have been added, so flowers are a little bit closer together and the leaves are a little bit closer together. And this is the beautiful pallu of this fabulous saree. Just the orientation of the flowers have been changed so that when you hold it in the hand, the flowers kind of fall down from the hand in the pallu beautifully. The blouse is a running blouse, same fabric with a little bit of few flower buds in the blouse, which can be added for decoration in the back or in the hand. And this is how the whole thing will look together. The pallu, blouse and the body. You can see how this whole thing will look together. Now let's take a look at this beautiful violet hand-painted organza saree. I'll just open it out for you to show you how the body looks. It's such a lovely color. It's such a dense violet. It almost borders on purple. It's so beautiful. And you have lovely painted on that white flower with the lilac pink shade accents on the white flower and beautiful green leaves. It looks so lovely. The leaves and the flower, the hand painting is done so well. It's so pretty. I'll just flip it around and show you the pallu. This is how the pallu will look. Pallu side, the orientation is slightly diagonal so that when you hold it up, flowers will look beautifully on the background. So this is a gorgeous organza saree. Now let's see how the blouse will look. The blouse is very nice. It's a plain, sheer, rich, dark violet blouse, and it's got these pretty flowers. Two pretty flowers, as you can see in the background. Those two pretty flowers which can be put on the hands. So overall, the saree's got a very delicate but gorgeous and very sensuous look. And this is how the whole thing will look together. The pallu, blouse and the body. Now let's take a look at this gorgeous grey organza silk saree. Beautiful combination, hand-painted organza. The base of the body is a lovely, gorgeous grey on which very delicately painted, hand-painted flowers and stem. Beautiful flowers in yellow, and the leaves are in teal green, and some of the flower buds are actually in black. So it's very stylish. If you look at the painting, it's a very modern, very edgy style, very stylized floral buds beautiful leaves, and the color combination is really gorgeous. And the fabric, of course, feels lovely. The drape is beautiful. The hand feel of the organza is so nice, lovely crisp organza, and it falls beautifully, and it's so light to the touch. And both the sides, the edges have lovely gold zari edging to give it a whole luxurious look. I'll just flip it around to show you how the pallu of the sari will look. Pallu has been planned so well. The flowers are in a different orientation. Actually hold up the pallu. The flowers will look beautifully like this. Lovely. Whereas in the body, flowers are vertical. This is exactly opposite. It's horizontal, so that when you hold up the pallu, the flowers will be seen beautifully. This is how the flowers will look when you hold the pallu. Beautifully hand-painted flowers. Let's see what the blouse looks like. The blouse is a lovely, gorgeous, plain grey organza, and it's got these lovely two little flowers on both sides, one on this side and one on the bottom. So these two flowers can be used to decorate the sleeves of the blouse. This is how the sari will look. The blouse, the decorated flowers, the body, and the pallu. The pallu which you just saw, the flowers were in the horizontal orientation. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. And if you want to take a look at this sari, you really must take a closer look at the sari and drape it. The fabric feels so beautiful, and the organza feels so light and so crisp, and the drape is so flowy. You really must come and take a look at the sari and drape it and check it out for yourself. You can come to the Avishya store. We are open at 281 TTK Road, Alwarpet. We have a lovely collection of hand-painted organzas. Apart from hand-painted, we also have lovely embroidered organzas, and we also have a very special retro collection in organzas. Please come over and take a look. Thank you.